Just like all keyboards have surged in popularity among gamers and typists for their precision, build quality, and value, home electrolysis devices are gaining traction as convenient solutions for hair removal, skin care, and even water purification. The Purify Hydrogen Water Pitcher isn't a hair removal device, but a wellness-focused electrolysis machine designed to generate hydrogen-rich water. Using SPE and TEM electrolysis technology, it increases the hydrogen concentration in drinking water, which has been linked to improved antioxidant benefits, better hydration, and overall health support. Its 50-ounce capacity makes it perfect for family use, while the BPA-free material ensures safe and long-term durability. Unlike many smaller devices, this pitcher provides a large, daily supply of hydrogen water without constant refilling. The built-in platinum-coated titanium electrodes ensure consistent hydrogen generation while filtering out harmful byproducts. This results in pure, clean, and enriched water that tastes fresh and supports health. The Zolvero Electrolysis Rust Removal Kit is a DIY-friendly solution for restoring metal tools, car parts, and antiques. Using electrolysis technology, it removes rust by reversing the oxidation process, leaving metal surfaces clean without damaging their integrity. Unlike abrasive sanding or chemical cleaners, this device provides a safe and eco-friendly method to bring old items back to life. It's especially useful for mechanics, DIYers, or hobbyists restoring vintage tools and equipment. The kit is easy to set up, requiring only a power supply and a simple electrolyte solution. Its reusable electrodes allow for multiple applications, saving both money and effort over time. This laser hair removal device with 5 degrees ice cooling is an advanced at-home tool designed for permanent hair reduction. The integrated ice cooling function keeps skin comfortable during treatments, significantly reducing irritation compared to older electrolysis and IPL devices. It works by targeting the hair follicle with light pulses that gradually disable regrowth. With consistent use, users often see visible results within 8 to 12 weeks, making it a practical alternative to costly salon sessions. The cooling plate maintains a comfortable skin temperature, allowing users to treat larger areas, like legs, arms, or the bikini line, without discomfort. It also supports multiple energy levels, so users can customize treatments based on sensitivity and target area. This IPL laser hair removal device is engineered specifically for women looking for a safe, long-lasting hair removal solution. With its ice cooling care function, it ensures that even sensitive areas can be treated comfortably, making the process virtually painless. The IPL Intense Pulsed Light technology penetrates hair follicles and disrupts growth cycles. Over time, it provides permanent hair reduction, allowing for smoother skin with fewer touch-ups. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver, while the large treatment window covers more area per flash, speeding up full-body sessions. The adjustable intensity settings allow users to personalize their treatments, balancing comfort and effectiveness. 5. The Ubrew IPL Laser Hair Removal Device is designed to make home treatments fast, safe, and pain-free. Its 5 degrees ice cooling technology ensures that even extended sessions remain comfortable, protecting sensitive skin from irritation or burns. With advanced IPL technology, the device delivers thousands of flashes that target and weaken hair follicles, reducing regrowth over time. Consistent use often leads to long-lasting smoothness within weeks, making it a strong alternative to professional treatments. It features multiple intensity levels, giving users flexibility to adjust based on their skin sensitivity and the treatment area. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to handle for both quick touch-ups and full-body treatments.